Sanibonani, welcome to Pop City TV. Namhlanje ngiphethe ishow entsha ibizwa nge-Ebola Challenges. Ngiphethe abafana bami abayi-4, uMpendulo, uThato, uNtando, noSabelo. Athi sihambe soba challenge. Ngilandele. Yebo, sesifikile ngibatholile abafana bami. Athi sinithojoze kubo. Kunjani?
Yaphila.
Ubani igama lakho uzoyenza namhlanje ufunda phi unakakhe?
Igama lami uMpendulo. Ngizodlala ibhola. Ngifunda e-10 Phakasi.
Unakakhe?
Na 10.
Alright, good luck mfana kithi. Sure. Uzwe? Yebo, ubani igama lakho?
Sabelo.
Unakakhe njayami ufunda phi uzoyenza namhlanje?
Ngizodlala ibhola. Ngifunde eThornville. Ngizodlala ibhola nabafana.
Unakakhe?
Na 10.
Alright, good luck njayami. Uzwe, wow. Kunjani?
Yaphila.
Sondela phela.
Yaphila.
Okay, ubani igama lakho uphuma phi uzoyenza namhlanje unakakhe?
Igama lami uNtando. Ngiphuma eDavidson. Mina ngiyoyenza i-13 this year. So mina ngidlalela i-strike. Ngifuna grade 7.
Oh, okay. Shap. Good luck ne. Uzwe. Show mfana. Show ubani igama lakho nangakhi ufunda phi uzoyenza namhlanje?
Igama lami uThato. Into isikolo sami i-10 Paras Primary School. Ngizodlala ibhola namhlanje. noNtando, noSabelo, noMpendulo. Esoyidlala nje ibhola. Nalo i-age yami nginananye yenza 10 this year.
Okay. Sesibabonile abafana bethu bama character nyana nomona umthatho ngapha. Athi sibone ke ukuthi badlala kanjani kulama challenges. Challenge number 1, asambe. Challenge number 1, uwanpala. Siphethe
Thato.
nobani.
Sabelo.
Guys, na 10 chances ne? 5. 1 goal, 1 point. Asien. Oh yes. Manje sesiphethe
Ntando.
versus
Pendulo.
bafethu 10 chance ne? 5. Asien. Challenge number 1, Pedidi. My points. Sabelo leading. How many points?
2 points.
3 points.
3 points.
Yes. Versus in the tie. How many points?
2 points.
How many points?
2 points.
Versus in no number goals. How many points?
1.
1. Okay. I send go challenge number 2. Asambe. Okay. Challenge number 2. Umateka, aka juggling. Uzocala uSabelo, the leader. For every 5 taking, uyenza 1 point. Okay? Good luck.
Sure.
Oh yes, challenge number 2 phelile. Sine draw or a tie 3-3. Sabelo novani
No thanks.
3 points. And then sine 2 points. Mpeshka mpendulo. Bese sine 1 point. Thato semsileni 40. Asiyeni ku challenge number 3. Away. Yes, my siphethe challenge number 3, the last challenge before baba ma team. Okay. La number 2 noma khana ninodwa ne. And then sonke score lapha yana ngithi 2 minutes. 1 goal, 1 point. Sambe. And that's the end of challenge number 3. And we have our winner with 4 points. Our winner is
Ntando.
Ntando, yes. So, just to ukuthi sivale le game, bangakhethana nga-2-2. Umuntu ozokhetha Ntando. Ntando ukhetha bani?
Khetha uThando.
Alright. Siyabonga ukubukela kwenu. Let's close this show. Ngebhola.